use a blender. 7 easy steps to blending bliss. When it comes to kitchen appliances, the blender stands out as one of the most versatile and widely used tools. Whether you're whipping up a morning smoothie, preparing a hearty soup, or crafting a gourmet sauce, this device can make your culinary endeavors smoother and more flavorful. Over the years, blenders have evolved, and with the advent of various features and settings, they can now perform an impressive range of tasks. However, for those unfamiliar with its intricacies, a blender might seem a bit intimidating. The array of buttons, speeds, and functions can leave one wondering how to properly harness its power. But fear not. With a little knowledge and practice, you'll soon be blending like a pro. To get the most out of your blender, it's crucial to understand its basic operations and potential, ensuring you achieve the desired consistency and flavor every time. Step-by-step guide on how to use a blender. Step 1. Setting up your blender on the countertop. Place your blender on a flat, stable surface, ensuring that it's not too close to the edge of the countertop. This minimizes the risk of it falling or getting knocked over during use. Before you begin, it's best to make sure the blender is unplugged to avoid any accidental startups. Most blenders come with a variety of settings ranging from chop to puree. Before diving into blending, spend a moment getting to know these buttons. This will ensure you achieve the texture you desire for your blend. Step 2. Prepping your ingredients. Ensure your ingredients are clean and cut into manageable sizes. This not only helps them blend more easily but also ensures the longevity of your blender's blades. For harder ingredients, like carrots or nuts, you might want to chop them a bit before tossing them inside the blender. Step 3. Adding liquid. To ensure a smooth blend, especially for thicker mixes like smoothies or purees, always add some liquid. It can be water, juice, milk, or broth. I recommend pouring the liquid first as it prevents ingredients from sticking to the bottom and helps the blades move freely. Step 4. Securing the lid. This might sound like a no-brainer, but it's essential. Before you turn on your blender, make sure the lid is securely in place. Trust me, you don't want a messy explosion on your countertop. Step 5. Starting your blender. To operate the blender, look for the power/start button and press or switch it on. Next, choose the suitable blender speed setting or utilize a preset recipe program. You may find additional controls, such as the stop button or the pulse option, to settle and ensure an even blend. Refer to the user manual for specific instructions based on your blender model. Step 6. Blending to perfection. Keep an eye on the consistency as you use your blender. If things look too thick, don't hesitate to add a bit more liquid. Remember, it's best to add liquid slowly. You can always add more if needed. Step 6. Turn off the blender safely. Once you've achieved the desired consistency, ensure you turn off the blender completely. Wait for the blades to come to a complete stop before removing the lid. Safety first. Step 7. Cleaning up. Immediately after use, fill your blender halfway with warm water and a drop of dish soap. Pulse a few times to pre-clean the blades and the inside of the blender. After that, you can wash it more thoroughly either by hand or in a dishwasher, depending on the manufacturer's instructions. What can you make in a blender? 1. Smoothies, a healthy start to your day. Making smoothies is one of the most popular uses for a blender. With just a few ingredients and a minute of blending, you can have a nutritious drink. Run time: 1 minute. Ingredients: 1 cup frozen berries, 1 banana, ½ cup Greek yogurt, 1 cup almond milk. I recommend adding a handful of spinach for an extra nutritional boost. The spinach taste is almost invisible, especially with the sweet berries and banana. 2. Classic milkshakes, indulgent and creamy. Craving something sweet? Why not make a milkshake? Run time: 2 minutes. Ingredients: 2 scoops of vanilla ice cream, ½ cup milk, a drizzle of chocolate syrup. You can always add crushed cookies or fruits for a twist. I recommend a banana and some peanut butter for a delightful treat. 3. Soup's comfort in a bowl. Blenders aren't just for cold foods. You can make soups that are creamy and velvety without any cream. Run time: 5 minutes. Ingredients: 2 cups of roasted vegetables, 3 cups of vegetable broth, salt and pepper to taste. Just cook your chosen vegetables until soft, blend until smooth, and heat it up. I recommend roasted pumpkin or tomato for a classic soup taste. 4. Crushed ice for refreshing drinks. Want to make a refreshing drink or cocktail? Your blender can crush ice perfectly for that. Run time: 1 minute. Ingredients: a batch of ice cubes. Just make sure not to overload your blender. Crush ice in smaller batches for best results. 5. Hummus, Middle Eastern delight. Making hummus at home can be both fun and delicious. Run time 3 minutes. Ingredients 1 can chickpeas, 2 tablespoons tahini, 1 clove garlic, juice of 1 lemon, salt to taste. Blend until creamy. I recommend adding roasted red peppers or a pinch of paprika for a flavor twist. 6. Homemade butter, fresh and creamy. Yes, you read that right. You can make butter in a blender. Run time 8 to 10 minutes. Ingredients 2 cups of heavy cream, a pinch of salt. Keep blending until you see the butter separating from the buttermilk. Drain the buttermilk and you have homemade butter. I recommend using this butter for baking or spreading on fresh bread. It's divine. 7. Ice cream, a homemade treat. Making ice cream in a blender is quick and the result is a soft and creamy delight. Run time 5 minutes. Ingredients 2 frozen bananas, 1/4 cup milk, 1 tablespoon vanilla extract. Blend until creamy, freeze for 2 to 3 hours, and enjoy. I recommend adding cocoa powder or frozen berries for variations. 8. Salsa and dips for snack time. Blenders can help you whip up a quick batch of salsa or other dips in no time. Run time 2 minutes. Ingredients 2 ripe tomatoes, 1 onion, 1 jalapeno, a handful of cilantro, salt to taste. Blend coarsely for a chunky texture. Perfect with tortilla chips. Final thoughts. Mastering the art of the blender is a valuable skill in the culinary world. The versatility of a blender is better realized when one appreciates its myriad functions, from smoothies to soups. The variable speed feature found in many blenders allows for precision in achieving the desired texture and consistency. Whether you're whipping up a refreshing smoothie or crafting a gourmet soup, understanding the intricacies of your blender's operations can elevate your culinary creations.